Hey guys, it's Becky Bamboo. So I'm done with my closet clean out. I actually just have to put my hamper and rolly carts back in the closet, but wanted to show you where I'm at, how I'm done. Um, the closet is still full, and yet look at this row of hangers. This is what I emptied. Those pant hangers and all this. That's a lot of clothes, which are all now over here stacked up on the bed. I bet there's like 4 garbage bags full of clothes that I'm getting rid of. So that's pretty intense. So the closet, all in all, looks better. I actually have room for my gym bag, which is like the first time I've ever had room for my gym bag in my closet, which that's kind of exciting. And the clothes, like, kind of, like, here's the edge of the closet. They don't really come out past that too much. This side is a little bit more so. It kind of sticks out a little bit more so. But for the most part, they don't really stick out too bad. Which is good because that means this whole middle section of my closet will be more open and I actually might be able to see what I have instead of trying to dig. Okay, while I'm doing this video, I wanted to take a moment and answer a question about, I think it was on video number 3, somebody asked about compression garments again, so I'm going to indulge you all once again. I know I've talked about this topic, so if you remember hearing me talk about it, too bad. So, here's the top that I wear. It just looks like a spaghetti strap tank top. But I will tell you, the compression part of this shirt is only through the midriff, only through your belly. It's just got like a real thin material that comes over your bust, and then it goes from like right under your bust line to your waist, and then there's an extra section of material about that long that goes for you to tuck in. So, the compression part is only through your belly, and I find that to be nice because obviously I have no boobs anyway, and I really don't need to have less boobs or my boobs being compressed or whatever. Okay, the other thing is, here's the brand I wear. It's called Flexies. F-L-E-X-E-E-S. Flexies. These come from Kohl's. Everybody, Kohl's. Flexies. I know it's hard to see, and it might be backwards, I don't know. But this is the bottoms that I wear. They're just like boy short bottoms, okay? They make different styles, I will tell you. They do make different styles. They make, I think, just like an underwear fit. I happen to like the boy shorts. I don't find that they really roll up on the legs, and I kind of like that additional coverage over my legs and like my upper leg and my butt. So that's why I like the boy shorts. In terms of price, I think the original price on most of these, the Flexies brand at Kohl's, you will find is like maybe $24, $25 a piece. But they're on sale all the time. I don't think I've paid more than $18 for a piece of these. And I have a set in white and a set in black. And the thing I want to tell you guys is buy them smaller than what your size is. There's a little size chart on when you buy them, and it'll tell you if you're like a size 18-20, buy a XXL or whatever. The first pair that I have were the white pair, and they are an XXL. And I noticed fairly recently that they seem to be getting loose and kind of sliding around more. And they still hold me in well enough to wear them, but I just thought, okay, well maybe I need to go down a size. So I got these recently in an extra large, and they feel so much better than my white pair. So definitely buy a size, at least one size down, perhaps go 2. The one thing is, I'm going to say, don't expect that you're going to buy these compression clothes and you're going to like go down a size in your regular like outfits, because that's not what it's about. I can wear all of my clothes with or without my compressions on. I'm a size 20. My jeans are size 20 whether I have compressions on or not. The only thing they do is make them look a lot nicer when I have my compressions on. So that's my thing. I do also have like the kind of like old type of Spanx that are like bike shorts to your knees, and then it comes all the way up to like just under your bust. I will say that I think possibly can shrink you a size, because I know my clothes fit loose when I wear those. And I don't wear those very often because I find they're really uncomfortable and they like roll down on my back, and I just don't like them. I really find that the two-piece thing is very comfortable to wear. It's easy to manage when you go to the restroom. You know, you don't have to do a lot of like futzing around with it. It's just an extra kind of layer you have on. So yeah, I definitely buy a size down. If you think you can get away with 2, then go 2. Because I find for me, the more compressed everything is, the better I feel, the better it feels for me. So I like them to be tight. And also, if you're in the process of losing a lot of weight like I still am, it's good to go a couple sizes down just so you get some longevity out of them, because, you know, they're not cheap at $17, $18 a piece, and you got to buy 2 pieces. So, you know, I try to get the most bang for my buck out of them that I can. And I do still, my first compression shirt that I have is actually a size 22, 24, and I do still wear it, and it still holds me in well enough. It smooths everything out. So until I start to notice it's not really doing that, I'm going to keep wearing it. Let's face it, why would I do anything different? So anyway, that's what I wear. I really, really like them. I find them to be very comfortable. Now, I also have seen the same styles at Fashion Bug, the Avenue. So if you're a bigger size than what you can get in the Flexies brand, check out Fashion Bug, check out the Avenue. They all have websites. You can order them online. So it shouldn't be a problem for you to get them no matter what size you are. And I started wearing them when I was a size 22, 24. Well, really a size 24 in my tops. And I originally just started off by wearing just the top. And then once I added the bottoms in, I realized how much nicer everything looks. All my clothes fit so much better. So, yeah, that's what I do. And, you know, people want to know, like, what does it do? Okay, here's a good example. I have on just a t-shirt. And I don't even know if you'll be able to really see it, but I have a roll of belly that's here, and then I have one here, and my waist is like in between them. Well, my upper roll is really, really loose now. That's one thing. It's still there. You can see it's still there, but it's very loose, and it's shrinking. You know, all the time it's still shrinking, but it's really, really, really jiggly and loose. So when I walk and I do anything, it jiggles around. My compressions don't really like flatten it out like this. They just kind of hold it all steady. So when I walk, they don't move around, and it's when I, you know, have on a shirt like this, it's nice and smoothed out to where you don't see like the chunkiness of like the cellulite-y kind of stuff. So anyway, that's what it does. It makes everything look nice. That's all I can say. And if you've never tried them, I so recommend give it a whirl. I'm telling you guys, you'll notice such a difference in the way your clothes fit. And I really think that once I started wearing compression clothes is when like people in my day-to-day life really started to notice, like, dang, you're slim. Because it kind of just gives you a better shape. I don't know how to describe it. So anyway, that's it for me. I'm done cleaning my closet. I'm going to go get some water and some vitamins and some lunch. So have a great rest of the day, and I hope this helped you guys. Love y'all. Bye.